that you guys are not shooting. So what is keeping you guys busy these days?
Yeah, you say.
Okay, I start first. I basically upgrading, working out, gymming, and working out on our physique, working out on our skills. तो बस यही सारी चीज़ें चल रही है. So basically upgrading to be short and precise.
Yeah, I think that sums up what we are doing, because actors are working when they are not working.
True.
Because you have to work on what you don't know. Like there are so many things that I want to learn, and I think I'm blessed that I'm an actor, because while you're not working, you're working on yourself. आप इतनी सारी चीजें जो आप करना चाहते हो वो आप सीख सकते हो. So that's what I'm doing, and he is very good at gymnastics. So I'm just looking at him. I keep on making his videos and all. So yeah, so it's just.
So audience is complimenting that you guys are looking awesome today.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much.
That's why I got ready today, so that you guys say that I look great.
Okay.
You
So
also. So I
Yes,
just.
these are both are looking.
Yeah,
awesome.
I just was talking about myself.
so you have to say about anything?
Yeah.
About no, I haven't dressed up a lot. Like just made my hair.
No, actually, she was asking, do you want to say anything
About her?
Yeah.
Ah.
Always you always have to. You always have to say good things about.
No, but you already said about yourself, so. it's
So
all-
So
that
you can
I
also
said.
praise.
Yeah.
Okay, I can say like this is a very nice skirt and top, and I would like to tell you like she had planned it since morning, even though she's
Acha.
not well, but she had planned that I'm gonna wear this, and she told me that you are not supposed to wear white today because I'm gonna wear white.
Okay, fine. So that means that whatever I talk, I should tell the fans pehle and
No.
everyone pehle.
No, I'm just telling them. She was so excited to meet you all.
Yeah, I
because we
actually
hadn't
told
come-
him don't wear white.
Okay.
Yeah, she told me.
People are asking that from where do you guys get your outfit?
Okay, where do I?
So that they can also shop.
See guys, I have made my YouTube account for you guys where I make you DIY videos, जो कि अभी तक एक ही है. So I'm gonna tell you so how I make मतलब कैसे मैं कुछ चीज़ें खुद ही decide करती हूँ और खुद ही mix and match करती हूँ, and which is not costly also, which will help you guys. So other than that, आप कहाँ से अपने कपड़े लेते हो?
मैं तो actually to be very frank, I'll tell you how I dress up. I just open my cupboard. जो सामने पहले टी-शर्ट दिखता है वो उठा के पहन लेता हूँ और जो पैंट दिखती है वो पहन लेता हूँ. तो but let's tell him about the DIY videos that you were planning. Basically, she started with the DIY videos because we have noticed like most of our fans are very young fans, so young girls. So like most of them like it's not right to ask your parents to spend something around 10,000 behind a patch wala jacket. So that's why the first video that she made was a patch video where you can just customize your old jacket into a new.
Yeah, so that's the thing
Expensive.
that I am doing right now, and I think जो मेरे मतलब हमारे fans जो पूछते भी हैं, so don't spend a lot of money on clothes. Yeah, you can just customize our things, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So one fan Kathy is asking that Shivya, what is the similarity between your dream boy and Kinshuk?
Oh wow. Oh, okay. So I got to know about the dream boy after meeting him. Actually, there was no dream boy. There was no boy in my life. I am very like no. There was no dream boy or Prince Charming that I'm waiting for. It's like I was good enough with myself. Like हुआ ना, मैं तो खुद से ही प्यार जताऊँ वैसा वाला. But no, he's like if you're compatible, if you're friends, if you can enjoy, you can fight, you can be whatever you want to be with the person you are with. I think that person is your dream boy, dream man, dream whatever, dream girl also.
Okay, talking about your love story. So how did it started? Like, किसने propose किया?
मैं बहुत बोलती हूँ इसलिए मैं नहीं बोलूँगी.
नहीं बोलो आप
अब तुम बोलो.
नहीं आप बोलो.
अब तुम बोलो.
नहीं,
नहीं, अब
तुम सुनो. मैंने ऑलरेडी काफी बार मैंने सुनाई है.
क्या सुनाया हमने? मैं नहीं सुनाई. YouTube पे भी देखोगे तो मेरी वीडियोस है.
नहीं आपकी है. बताओ.
I don't know. It's not like you मतलब especially proposing. I don't know. You say, we are not talking.
I'm not talking. So this question only you have to ask me to talk. बाकी सारी खुद बात करेंगे.
No, actually,
I want to hear it from you.
I don't know, you all have seen the last live video of our show, so you all know.
Yeah, so basically I asked her, okay, will you be my partner for life? And she's a very sweet person, so...
I said yes. It was live also, no?
बेइज्जती नहीं करा रही थी.
और आप क्या बोल सकते हो?
Okay, one fan Ronak is saying that your title track of the show was superb. I played it on my sister's wedding also. So
Wow.
thank you so much.
That's so sweet, Ronak. That's really sweet of you.
Okay, so where are you guys? What are you guys doing nowadays? One fan, Abhivia, is asking.
Abhivya.
Abhivya, as of now, I just answered in the beginning of the session. Like we are working on ourselves, and it's a great opportunity. In fact, जब काम कर रहे होते हैं तो life ज़्यादा easy होती है क्योंकि सुबह उठ के आपको set पे जाना है, जो भी आपके scenes है वो खत्म करने और आके सोना है. But जब आप काम नहीं कर रहे हो तो trust me, actor's life is much more difficult when you're not working because you have to always work on yourself, do 10,000 different things throughout the day, and of course find new work.
New work, yeah, it's very tough. But it's interesting. We are blessed
Yeah,
to
it's
be
fun.
actors because you can learn so many things which you haven't, and yeah, that's what we are doing. We're learning things. We're meeting new people.
So one fan Ayush is asking that how was the experience working for the show Ek Rishta Sajidari Ka?
Yeah, I have always said it. I'll always say that it's one of the best experiences in life. Not just because of the project that we're doing, but an actor working with Barjatias, an actor working with Kavita Barjatia, Kaushik Dada and the team, they are blessed to work with them because it's like a family away from family because I'm not from Mumbai, I'm from Shimla, but those people are family. They are the way they show. जैसे वो प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाते हैं वो लोग खुद भी वैसे हैं और पूरी उनकी टीम भी वैसी है.
आपका experience कैसा?
मेरा बहुत अच्छा था. वही तो I am being with a family. Imagine staying with your family away from family. What is it like? It's home.
For me, it was actually a very learning experience because even though working for so long, still I felt like I have to learn a lot, and I think that's the best feeling, like always wanting to learn more. And coming to the show, I know, to be very frank, it wasn't a long running show, but जैसे कहते हैं ना कि जिंदगी लंबी नहीं बड़ी होनी चाहिए, तो I think it was a very grand show and we were very lucky to have that show.
Yeah, we are very lucky because of that show. We have got so many fan following, so many people loving it, and people playing those tracks in his sister's marriage and everything. What else?
And today when I sit and watch it, like sometimes to be very frank, जब time होता है तो show के time ज़्यादा देख नहीं पाते, but अब जब जाके मैं episode देखता हूँ तो मैं खुद अपने वो जो हमने jokes मारे उसी पे मैं खुद हंसता हूँ, and I actually feel कि यार बहुत मजा आया ऊपर जिन्होंने भी जब तब देखा हो, so even I missed the show.
Okay, one fan Preeti is asking that what is your philosophy in life?
My philosophy in life is go with the flow. Go with the flow. Because yes, of course, you have to plan your life. You have to have some goals in life, which helps you to go with the flow. But never get disappointed with whatever the letdowns are. Of course, recently I read somewhere that failure is a new opportunity to learn something. So, of course, talking about the failures, but it's a new opportunity.
Yeah,
to learn
because
something. So, but yeah, basically to just go with the flow.
yeah, he can. Yeah, it's go with the flow for him. For me, I don't know. From coming from a non-TV, non-filmy and a place like Shimla, and then doing engineering, then winning a beauty pageant, then ending up in a radio station, being an intern in a radio station, and then doing acting. Papa बोलते हैं because he's a lawyer. So he say कि पढ़ी वकालत बेचा तेल देखो किस्मत का खेल. मतलब you don't know बेटा आपको बता देना चाहिए था what you want to do. So it's like I am just enjoying life. I think coming to Mumbai doing acting was beyond my thoughts. I always wanted to do it but I never could. So for me the philosophy of life is just learn, let it be, live the way you want to and live your present.
Do the unexpected.
And unexpected happens with me. I actually, because during Ek Rishta also, I was going for another meeting.
Okay.
I was about to go, I gave the audition, so मुझे तो अब हो चुका है एक point of time के बाद, as in I'm very frank, so as an actor you know कि अब कुछ होने वाला नहीं है, चलो audition देकर आ जाओ, अगली meeting की तरफ जाते हैं. So I was going for another meeting and I did the audition but it worked out. So whenever I'm going this way, if I'm thinking कि I'll go this way, I'll do this, the other thing comes up to me. शायद भगवान ही देख लेता है कि अब you are going the wrong way. This is what you wanted to do. Just do this. So I'm just enjoying life. Just expect the unexpected for me.
Okay, one fan is asking that what are you planning for Shivya's birthday Kinshu?
Yeah, कभी साथ बैठिए. I can't answer this question.
See, मेरा बर्थडे केक 12 बजे करेगा, मुझे भी पता है. मेरे सारे फ्रेंड्स ट्राई करेंगे कुछ सरप्राइज करना होगा, मुझे पता है. इस बार मैं सरप्राइज दूंगी. वेट अ मिनट, मैं ही गायब हो जाऊंगी. See, you all find me then. You all find me.
Okay.
मैं ही गायब.
तो सीक्रेट है बर्थडे.
चलो गाइस, तो सबको मिलके जगह पे नजर रखनी है, देखना है कि कहाँ गायब हो रही है. तो you all have to help me find her if she gets गायब.
Yeah, I actually let's cut the cake somewhere. ऐसे ट्रैकिंग पे चलते हैं. पहाड़ में.
गिरविर मत जाना.
हाँ, पता लगा.
अरे पहाड़ी है, कहाँ से गिरेगी?
हाँ, वैसे फिर गिर भी गए तो चोट लगी. Expect the वो क्या था? Expect the unexpected. Exactly.
Okay. So one thing that you both guys like about each other, and that one thing that irritates you both about each other.
Can we start with the irritating thing?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Start with irritating.
Why not?
No. So you say no. I'm not. There's nothing irritating. I am the most irritating person.
One thing, I think I've always said this. One thing that I like the most about her is her energy. Yeah, she's one light wire.
Yeah. So much of energy. So much of energy. So much of energy.
And one thing that you like.
That irritates? What is irritating about it?
Everything. After a point, everything.
No, there's nothing actually irritating. वैसे मतलब वैसे बहुत irritate होने जैसे कुछ नहीं, but छोटी छोटी चीजें तो होती है कभी-कभी.
जैसे कि
देखो, बहुत जल्दी irritate नहीं होती, but कभी भी आंखें दिखाती है. पर इसकी आंखें भी प्यारी है तो देखने में भी मजा आता है.
Okay, so लोग पूछ रहे थे कि आपका favorite TV series कौन सा है? Do you guys follow anything?
Nothing as of now because we starts to follow नहीं किया.
हाँ, start से कुछ follow नहीं किया, but
I was watching कुछ रंग प्यार के before our show, and it was a very interesting show. I was watching एक दूजे के वास्ते, but sadly it went off air.
But there are good shows which are being made on Indian television right now, because as such there is my first production house that I worked with, Four Lines, उनका इश्कबाज है.
Yeah.
So that's nice. I think उन्होंने Ishqbaaz has started the trend of new costumes for girls. That is the TV show that has started it. New costumes for और unexpected जैसे television bahus जो होती हैं वो उससे start हुआ, and it's a good show. So there are a lot of good shows being made on television right now. और वेब सीरीज पे जाओ तो there are so many nice web series, and other than that Indian को छोड़ के, Indian television series को छोड़ के, I watch a lot of Korean series.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And one fan Preeti is asking that who used to take maximum retakes while shooting?
See, right now I'm not working. So if some producer or someone is seeing this, I am a one-take actor. I don't know. If you will give me the script on the sets, I'll just read and say, without emotion though. No. Yeah, everyone take retakes. Yeah. Everyone do. So yeah.
नहीं, but इतने भी नहीं होते थे because trust me, like we used to shoot a lot of footage every day, so
And
I don't think, and like if you see the whole cast, जो 15-20 actors थे, all were like excellent actors. Like,
exactly.
Nitesh ji, then Surbhi Tiwari. So ये सारे जो
Such
थे,
great actors who have worked so much in television. अगर आप थोड़ा सा भी ऐसे मस्ती वाले mood में हो ना, but you are in front of them guys, You cannot just come on be like casual. हम तो भाई अब टीवी में हमें मिल गया है, हमने ज़्यादा मतलब we are not very serious about work. You cannot do that.
You can never not be serious about
Yeah,
work,
you can
basically.
never be. And it was so natural and so enjoyable.
No, basically
that
everything
I am
was
looking
so,
at my coffee.
the character actually सबने कैसे था पता है, सबने character इतना घोल के पी लिया था ना, तो हमारी खून में मतलब वो character ही बहते थे. बस आपको सिर्फ lines बतानी है और basically at times we have just taken the gist of the scene कि अच्छा इस scene में हो रहा क्या है, and खुद से हमने एक चीजें की है.
हमारे खून में वो कैरेक्टर बहते थे. This is the line of the day. हमारे खून में वो
हाँ.
character बहते थे.
Exactly. If you like you तुम्हें बोल दिया साची कॉफी पी रही, तुम्हें नहीं पता था साची कॉफी कैसे पी.
हाँ ऐसे.
हाँ, दिखाओ पी.
But I like the line now. See, this is the
Yeah.
tagline now.
Of course, like that is what we do.
I like
Yeah.
it.
Thank you
Today.
Indian Wikimedia and you guys should thank them क्योंकि आप लोगों ने कितने messages किए थे live आओ and these people were looking
Yeah.
at it. So if anything like that you want again and you can just tell them
Yeah, see, they'll do it for you.
any surprise picture they can just give you.
Yeah, we
You
have.
just have to tell Indian Wikimedia to give us a surprise photo of Kinshuk, yeah, and they will
Yeah,
surprise
apparently they're
you.
telling us they have some cute
Yeah.
photos of us from the launch
And
party.
videos too.
And
And videos too. So if you want, you guys need to go like their page on Facebook and like follow them on Instagram, and they will definitely give you a surprise.
Bye. See
Bye
you
bye.
soon.